For today's set, I'm using clear full coverage coffin nails by BT Art Box. This peach color kiss gel polish, a glossy top coat, a matte top coat, and some special stickers that you'll see as I do this set. This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. OMG, it's the last Bougie Nails on a Budget for 2020, guys. I want to start this one out by acknowledging all of you. So let's close this year's Bougie Nails on a Budget 2020 with a bang. Put up these hashtags, guys, and remember to always use them in future videos. Hashtag NailTubers. Hashtag Nailification Squad. That's right, put them up. Yes, honey. I don't know what made me do this, but all of a sudden I'm hashtagging with my hands. Here we go. Now you know you can't do this without your nails, dear girl. I love having fun with you guys. I am pretty much what you see is what you get. In fact, in the upcoming year, I'm considering a video with my writing classes so they can share their experiences when I'm teaching. Now don't get it twisted. I'm playful, but I can get real. Know that. But you know what? Life is just too short. And why be all stiff-necked with everything we're all going through together as a human race? Though we're celebrating this last Bougie Nails on a Budget for 2020, there's been so much support that I already have so many designs for the upcoming year for me to give back the love you guys have been showing. So thank you. I haven't explained this set because this is a celebration. So you're just gonna follow what I'm doing. You can see I'm color blocking and creating negative space. And as I'm doing that, I want to shout out someone very special and a true inspiration. She took her time out to come by for a visit on my last video. Thank you so much, Femi. It's always really special and encouraging whenever you come by. If you're not familiar with Femi Beauty, perhaps you're just getting into nails or new to YouTube. She's a very big nail channel and you would love her as much as I do. Make sure to go by after this and let her know how thankful I am for her support. Another person is someone I recently connected with who has been showing her supporters much appreciation by shouting out their comments on her channel. Carissa SAELEE. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. But then again, did I just notice a name change? Girl, I'm trying to keep up. Thank you so very much, Carissa, for the shout out. Now, her channel is her name. She's become a nail channel from doing lifestyle and beauty. She's been doing unboxings and nail videos. Her most recent are unboxings of a full acrylic kit, the Burano nail foil kit, and a nifty practice hand that comes with the stand. So be sure to check her out after this video as well and let her know I sent you in love. I'm just doing this free-handed and keeping steady. Isn't the negative space so cool? Wait till you see how they come out. Like the set I did before this, I'll use variations of top coat today too. In the meantime, I also want to give two more special thank yous. Princess Nails by Diana. I love you much. Whoop whoop. She has also plastered my channel all over her video. She didn't have to do that. And again, I surely wasn't expecting it. There's a bit of a backstory, but you guys have to watch the video because it's really not for me to tell. Princess D, between you and me, girl, I did what I did quietly with no expectations. But thank you so much for the love. Princess Nails by Diana is her YouTube channel. I have to tell you about this. This girl told her viewers that she didn't care if they left her video to check out my channel and to come back to hers when they were done. Y'all, I was in tears. Make sure you go to her channel, okay, and continue to share the love and become part of her Divalicious family. Oh, and she has her gel polish line. If you didn't know about it, you do now. I did a video on what I ordered from her, and let me tell you, I need some more. I gotta have some more, okay? Okay, so now if you know about Princess Nails by Diana, there's no way you don't know this next person. Nail by Nikki. Nikki, I want to thank you for your support and let you know how much it means to me. It may have gone unnoticed by viewers, but I haven't forgotten your unprompted gestures. What most of you all are not aware of, with the exception of those who are here as a result of it, Nikki has shared content from my channel and I truly appreciate what she's done. Thank you so much, Nikki. Nikki has so much going on. You just have to go see for yourself. She has her merch. She has acrylic kits for beginners. She does one-on-ones. There's so much for you. So what am I going to say? Right. If you haven't already, visit Nikki and become part of her nail crew. And let her know I sent you in love. And here I go with the striping tape. It can be so annoying, right? But really, I like how it works with negative space designs. Now these stickers right here are really special to me. They came from my nail sister, loved by Verdie Nails, as a part of a thoughtful gift package she sent. I've been waiting for a set to use them in. I mean, that go with holographic. What else is there to say? And this set turned out to be the perfect one for them, not to mention perfect timing to celebrate closing out 2020. Because we have all been victorious in this year. Verdie has played a huge part in my life on YouTube. I mentioned before how she welcomed me and didn't even know my name. Thank you so much, Verdie. Verdie is also a big channel on YouTube and she has an online store, Loved by Verdie, which is where these beautiful stickers are from. So be sure to visit her channel where you'll get the most straightforward reviews on up-to-date nail products and also enjoy her sophisticated nail designs. And let her know that I love these stickers and created this gorgeous set with them. Also, consider shopping with her at Loved by Verdie. She has a lot of amazing nail things that I know you'll like. By the way, I want you all to know that I followed these ladies from way before I started my channel. And I mean way before. And the love has always been the same. Didn't these stickers go so well with this color? I'm just adding one touch of bling to match and not overpower the effect of the stickers. BOUJEE Nails on a Budget has been running since July of this year, 2020. And because of your support, it will continue to be a part of this channel with so much more in the upcoming year. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel and remember to hit the notification bell so you know every time there's something new. You can find many nail designs in this BOUJEE Nails on a Budget playlist, so just click the link and I'll see you there.